Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag. Here it is, what's in the box, and also how to pair it with your phone. It's right now. Okay, opening the box. Ta-da! All right, so you do have some quick guide here, and then that's the tag itself. Let's put the box on the side, and here is the tag. It's very simple, it's small, you can see compared to my hand. There is a big button in the front here. In the back there is just Samsung, and here you can have a hole to put like as a keychain if you want. And it has a replaceable battery, which is great, which you can access here with this slit in the bottom. You just pry a small screwdriver. Here you pry it open with a small screwdriver, and then you can replace the battery. It's one of those flat battery that you use in your watch or stuff like that. So replaceable battery, that's great. All right, now let's pair it with the phone. Let's go.